Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be creating a bling out house slipper. So let's get started with this arrangement. So the first thing I have is, of course, the slippers. I got these slippers, guys, from Walmart for about $2.88, and even though they're cheap, they're very comfortable. And here I'm trying to detach the shoes. Of course, that's the first thing you have to do. So with the items that we'll need are the shoes, of course, the blinged out diamond wrap that I got from Dollar Tree, your glue, scissors, and I have socks. So guys, we're going to use the socks to stretch out the inner part of the shoe so that I can place my diamond wrap on the shoe correctly. Alright guys, and here I'm just trying to make sure that the socks are inside the shoe nice and tight. So the shoe can be, the inside of the shoe can be stretched out as much as possible so that we can get the correct measurements for the diamond wrap. And glue everything on correctly. Okay, so here guys, I'm measuring the diamond wrap to make sure I have the right amount of wrap to put on the shoe. And guys, I got this pink diamond wrap at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was really pretty to go with this shoe. And I didn't know whether or not I wanted to get the regular diamond or the pink, but I think I did pretty good with the pink. Okay, so here I am I'm measuring the bottom half of the shoe to make sure that the wrap is long enough. Alright guys, so I have my measurements correct for my fabric. So now I'm adding the glue to the diamond wrap so that I can add it to. I'm going to begin with the top and add that fabric to the top area. And now we're going to add the bottom piece to the bottom half of the shoe. And I can't stress enough about being very cautious with the hot glue, because of course it's hot glue, so it's going to be hot. But you might want to use some type of utensil or something to help press the fabric down versus using your hands. That's where I made my mistake at, and every time I did that, my hands would just, the glue would just burn my hand really bad. So yeah, so just try to use a utensil to do that versus your hands, guys. Alright, so we're going to continue with the creation of the shoe, and you guys enjoy. So guys, this is the finished product, and I really think this shoe turned out to be really cute. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like, comment below, and subscribe for more updates. And until the next time, you guys, take care.